Hi guys, it's Dreams, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a quick zoom in transition. So first of all, you're going to add your pictures, just like this. Then go to the end and add your second picture. Now after making sure they're back to back, just like this, go to the first picture, keyframe, transform, and click scale. Now you're gonna add a keyframe at the end of the clip and one around the middle. Now at the second keyframe, you're gonna make the scale of the photo really big, around this. Now to make the transition smooth, we're gonna add a graph. So clicking on the graph, you can see we have multiple options, but I'm going to use custom. Now I'm going to move the knobs so they face towards the right, creating a quick smooth transition, just like this. Now scrolling down into transform again, you're gonna select the motion blur and you're gonna set it to the max. So already the first transition is done, and we have the second one left. Going to the keyframes of the second photo, you're gonna go to transform, scale. Now we're gonna set a keyframe in the beginning and one around the middle. In the beginning keyframe, we're gonna make the photo around this size, smaller than it was before, and we're gonna add the same graph but inverted, just like this. Now I'm gonna scroll down in the transform and we're gonna select mirror, just like this. And we're also gonna set the motion blur to max. Now you can see we have a perfectly smooth zoom in transition, and that took only about like 2 minutes. It's really fast to create this transition, and it's a beginning transition, really easy to make, and it's really fun to use.